Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and two colors of yarn. In this video you will see how to crochet amazing flower. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make a chain and pull it. Work into the ring. Make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. I skip the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, like this. Make slip stitch. My round is ready. It was round 1. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of treble crochet stitches. For this, chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make treble crochet. Make 2 treble crochet into each stitch of the previous round. 1 and 2. So I am doing treble crochet increase like this. Work across the round. Make treble crochet twice into the next stitch. 1, 2. Keep working this way till the end of this round. I am about to complete this round, and now I show you how to do this. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. It is going to be the center of the flower. Continue with the next round. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Then pull through loops on the hook. Pull up a loop into the next stitch. Pull up a loop into the next stitch. Pull through loops on the hook. So I am doing single crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through loops on the hook. 1, 2, pull through all loops on the hook. Keep working this way till the end of this round. I didn't remove my yarn. I'm about to complete this round. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. And pull it. Here what I have at this point. So my center of the flower is ready. Here how it looks like. This is the back side. You can use it like a button or brooch or another accessories. and I continue working. This round will be a round of petals. Continue, make a chain, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet. I remove my stitches, continue, make a chain of 9 for my petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Then chain more for transition part from one round to another one. Let's crochet the first row of the petal. It is going to be a row of different tall stitches. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet, then half double crochet and 5 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then half double crochet and single crochet. Well done. Insert the hook into the same stitch that came out of my chains. Make single crochet. My petal is ready. I continue working on my second petal. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. Then chain of 9 for the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, and so on. And you should crochet the second petal in the same way as I showed you before. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Here what I have. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. In total it should be 8 of them. I'm about to complete this round. I have got 8 petals, and let's complete this round with me. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet and make a slip stitch. And pull it. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. Next time you will see how to change color of yarn. I will not use this color. If you don't want to change color of yarn, you can continue with your current color of yarn. In my case, I will change color of yarn. I take new color, insert the hook into the chain stitch. Here is my first chain stitch. If you are not changing color of yarn, you should crochet single crochet in this first chain stitch. Make a chain and single crochet into the same chain stitch. Then make single crochet into each stitch of the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once I have done 9 single crochet, I continue working. Make 3 single crochet into the chain stitch. Let's count 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Then turn it upside down and work with the opposite side. Then make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 'Once I have done 9 single crochet in a row and continue, I skip my stitches that I did before. They are 1 and 2 in a round. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch of the second petal. Make 9 single crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 3 single crochet into the chain stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then 9 single crochet in a row. Let's count. I will start and you should continue working with your own. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to finish my round. I remind you my flower consists of 8 petals. Once I have done all my single crochet stitches, let's complete this round. Insert the hook into the first single crochet in this round. Make slip stitch and pull it. My round is ready. Let's crochet the last round of my flower. It is going to be a round of reverse single crochet trim. Make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into the single crochet that I did before the stitch, and make single crochet in reverse direction. Like this. Insert the hook into the stitch and make reverse single crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. You should work into each stitch of the previous row. Work into each stitch of the previous row. Make single crochet in reverse direction. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. I remind you, this is the last round of my flower. Let's stop and look at this point. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. I just need to finish my flower. I remind you, I work it with reverse single crochet trim. Once I have done the last reverse single crochet, remove the crochet hook, turn the flower on the back side, insert the hook into the first stitch, take the working loop and pull it through to secure the yarn by making a chain. So that's it, my flower is ready. I just need to straighten up my petals. I will remove all my yarns on the back side of the flower using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. This is the back side of the flower. And let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my flower is ready. It consists of only 8 petals only. For this flower you just need to know basic stitches such as single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet and reverse single crochet trim. For this flower you can use 2 colors or 1 color of yarn. It depends on your mood or project. It could be perfect like a separate motif, or it could be part of big project such as guipure or Irish laces. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. See you next time and good luck at crocheting. Bye!